Oh, what a beautiful day. Oh, too bad it's raining. Oh, well, can water all the plants. Oh, I wonder what me, square, triangle, and circle can do today. I got a great idea. I want to make Play-Doh. Do-do-do-do-do. Oh, I've got to tell them about the Play-Doh, but where are they? Must be this way. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. And that's what happened when my grandma was a little shape. Oh, she had so much fun. Oh, wow, Square, that was a great story. Yeah, sure was. Guys, oh, I just was wondering, you guys want to make Play-Doh? Play-Doh? That sounds like fun. Yeah, great idea, Rectangle. Yeah, Rectangle. Yeah, and we can do a colour. Or maybe we could do one of each colour. Or maybe, let's see. Follow me, guys. I think Rectangle's gone the wrong way. Again. Oh, sorry, guys. I mean this way. Okay, Rectangle. Oh, off to the kitchen we go. Oh, that's my favourite part of the house. That's where all the food is, you know. Red, yellow, pink. Hey, where's my pink food dye? Oh, sorry, Circle. They ran out at the shops. Oh, that's okay. Not to worry. Blue. Oh, what colour should we make? Come on, guys, Circle. What colour should we make? Well, I think we should make green. Don't you? Oh, yeah, green sounds great. Yeah, I think green. Let's do it. Green, I think blue and yellow make green. Yeah, it sure does. Let's try it out. Oh, it's going to look so cool when you mix them together. Well, let's do it, guys. Whee! Oh, I'm just so excited. Wow. Oh, I can't stop rolling everywhere. Roll. Rectangle, do you know what we need? What are the ingredients? I don't even know. Well, we need some flour. 2 cups of flour, that is. Get your mommy or daddy or someone else to help. Wow, look at that flour, nice and white. It feels great between my fingers. Square. Yeah. We don't have any fingers. I'll just feel it like this. Oh, that was fun. Let's just shake it off. Shake. Now we need 4 tablespoons of cream of tartar. What's cream of tartar? I don't know, but you gotta add it in. What about blue ball instead? No, Square, no blue ball. Oh man, alright, I'll just take it out then. We need 1 cup of salt. That looks interesting, Square. Should we try some? I wouldn't try it if I was you, Rectangle. Well, I'm gonna give it a try. Oh, when I have it on chips, it tastes fine. Well, Rectangle, you can't have a whole heap. Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, wow, guys. Oh, now time for the oil. Oh, it smells nice, doesn't it? Oh, well, there's 1 tablespoon. And the next tablespoon. Wow. Ooh, wow, look at it in the flour. Oh, it looks yellowy, doesn't it? Oh. Oh, wow. Now we can add the cream of tartar. Also, don't forget the salt. Yeah, Rectangle. Yeah, I don't think he wants to talk about the salt. Oh, and now for the water. We need 2 cups of water. Look at it swirling around. Oh, wow, guys. I can't wait for this Play-Doh to be finished. Yeah, me too. Now time to add the blue and yellow food colouring. Wow, let's add the blue one first. Oh, look at it swirling around with the flour, the oil, the water. Wow. Looks beautiful, doesn't it, guys? Oh yeah, it sure does. But now it's time for the yellow. Oh, this is where the magic happens. Oh, what's happening? Wow, look at that, guys. Oh, it's like magic. We add yellow and blue and wow, it's now green. Oh, wow, guys, look at that great green colour. Oh, who would have thought you add two colours together and it makes a completely different colour? Oh, wow, guys, this Play-Doh's going to be the best. Yeah, it's going to be the best, guys. Wow. You like my hat, guys? Yeah. Just for fun, guys. Just for fun. But look at this Play-Doh. Oh, let's mix it up. Yeah, you gotta mix it up. Oh, it looks all sloppy. Are you sure this is gonna work, Rectangle? Yeah, I'm sure it will work. I mean, all you have to do is keep swirling it around, I guess. Yeah, let's just mix it up. Mixing. Yeah, let's mix it up. Yeah, but I think we have to cook it next, don't we? Yeah, that's right. Well, now get somebody to help you put it in a saucepan. And once it's in the saucepan, we can start cooking it. So make sure you pour it all in. Blue and yellow makes this lovely green colour. Can't wait for it to turn into Play-Doh though. Yeah, it'll get stuck all on our hands if we did it. Isn't that right, Triangle? Square. Yeah. We don't have any hands. Oh, sorry. I keep forgetting. I just can't help myself. Oh, I just want to play with the Play-Doh. Okay, let's click it on. Oh, it's hot. Oh, be careful. Oh well, guys, now it's going to turn into Play-Doh soon. Yeah, I can't wait to play with the Play-Doh that we made. Oh, well, let's keep mixing it. And now it should be all ready to roll. But it's gonna be a little bit hot, so be careful. Roll! Circle, we don't mean really roll. We mean the Play-Doh roll. Oh, sorry guys. I'm a donut. Yay. Oh, how fun. Well, guys, look at this great green Play-Doh. Wow. Looks fantastic. Rectangle, yeah. Have you thought about how we're going to play with the Play-Doh? With our hands, of course. Rectangle. Yeah, Triangle. We don't have any hands. Oh, well, maybe these guys can help us. What, these kids? Yeah, they've got hands. They can help us. Let's split this Play-Doh up into 4 pieces. 4 of us, 4 Play-Doh pieces. Let's do it. You ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes.
So there are our 4 pieces. Oh yeah, I'd like one. Me too. Oh yes, me. And me. Wow, what are we gonna make? Oh wow, these look fantastic, guys, don't they, Triangle? Yeah, they really do. Wow, look at that. You can roll it nice and flat and use a Play-Doh cutter. Oh, that looks like a star. Wow, that's a really nice star. Yeah, it sure is, Circle. It sure is. Oh, I wish we had some other colours, Rectangle. Well, what do you mean, Circle? We only made green. What other colour did you want? Ah! I hope you weren't thinking red. Oh, actually, that's quite comfortable. I'm getting rolled. I'm a rectangle. That was actually quite fun. Thanks, Circle, for that. I got the Play-Doh on my head. Wow, you can even squish the Play-Doh too. Oh, you can do so many things with Play-Doh. Yeah, I know, Circle. It's just so fun to watch you guys. Oh, yeah, I love my Play-Doh. Yeah, mine too. Yours looks great, Triangle. Looks like you got little eyes on yours. Oh, look at mine. I've got a circle. It's the same shape as me. Maybe I could pretend it's a cookie. Oh, I ate it all. Triangle. What shape should we do next? Oh, I think I know. A rectangle. Oh, I know this one. It's a square. I wonder what we can do next. Oh, well, I think there's only one more shape. A circle. Wow, guys, these look great. Yeah, they look just like us. Well, they're green, but they look like us. Oh, Circle, I'm really sorry about that food colouring. Oh, that's okay, Rectangle. It's not your fault. Yeah, Circle. Oh, guys, look at this Play-Doh. It looks great. Oh, I know what else we could do with it. What, Square? Ah, look, I got a mustache. Oh, let me try. Oh, now I've got eyebrows. Oh, what about me, Circle? I want to give it a try. Ah, look, I got a beard. Oh, does this mean I have to shave now? Oh, I got hair. Wow, green hair. I always wanted hair. Oh, guys, we had so much fun playing with this Play-Doh. Oh, I'm a bit tired from playing with all this Play-Doh. Yeah, I know. Rolling it, cooking it, making it. Oh, man, I had so much fun with this Play-Doh. Ah! Well, now we gotta pack up the Play-Doh. We don't want it to dry out and then we can't play with it. Yeah, that's right. Just get somebody to help you. See, just get a plastic bag or a container and you can just put them in. See? It's easy. Then we can play with it next time. Oh, thanks guys for joining us making this lovely Play-Doh. Yeah, hope your Play-Doh turns out great too. Oh well, see ya. Circle, I went back to the shops and guess what? They had the pink food colouring. Circle? Hey Circle, where are you? Where are you? I got it. It's right here. Oh, where's that Circle? Circle.